This is Steve. He has been using the same two-way radio brand for years and is never surprised when they break. It's either the antenna, volume knob, or holster, and sometimes they all break at once. Steve is tired of having to send radios in for repair or buying brand new ones, which wastes his time and money. This time, Steve wants to do things differently. He orders the AWR Advantage two-way radio from Advanced Wireless Communications. He likes that he can still use his old accessories if needed, such as headsets, batteries, and chargers, but this radio will survive the wear and tear of everyday use, unlike his old radio. It has a flexible reinforced antenna that can handle abuse, like being bent. Steve wouldn't have even tried to do that with his old radio. This low-profile volume knob is protected by a guard and can withstand drops. Steve finds this feature especially beneficial. The new holsters that come with the AWR Advantage are holding up better too. It is because of the heavy-duty steel hinge instead of a plastic hinge like on his old radio holsters. Steve also purchased some rubber cases to add even more protection to the already durable radios. He uses the belt clip when the rubber case is being utilized. Now when a radio gets dropped, the rubber case absorbs the shock. He was happy he switched to the AWR Advantage two-way radio, and so was his wallet.